everybody, it's the 4th of July. Let's go get some boom booms. Hello, what's your name?
Adam Cooper.
Adam, what is your biggest selling item?
That's our biggest selling item.
So is this the only one you have?
We have 3 of these.
You have 3?
Yes.
And will those people come back this year and try to pay you with their stumps? What's the biggest boom you have in the place?
The biggest boom, we have some multi-aerials over here.
You remember the days of the M80, right?
Uh-huh.
You're old enough to remember the M80.
Oh yeah, I remember the M80. I travel over many of those.
I love M80s. Do they still make them?
No, they do not. We have something fairly similar, not quite as big. That's about as close as you can get to the M.
So this is the M1000?
Yes.
And you'd think it would be louder because it's a bigger number.
It is.
It's not just M80, it's a M1000. You'd think it would be many times louder.
It's quite a bit louder than a firecracker.
Will it blow your finger off?
I'm pretty sure it would, yes.
All right, give me 10. So, I just bought some M1000s, which dude says are almost as loud as the old M80s were. Well, we're going to test that out to see if it can actually blow off a finger like the M80s used to. But I can't figure out what to use instead of a finger. Oh, wait a minute. I think an idea just came to me. Always be very careful with fireworks. Kids, adult supervision, very important. And to demonstrate how dangerous fireworks really are, I've got a finger analog. This will represent holding a firework with your fingers. It would be as if you were holding it like this and it goes off. Let's find out what happens. Well, my. That wouldn't be very good for your finger. And it wasn't good for the finger holder either. So again, be very careful this holiday season. And don't blow your fingers off, because then you wouldn't be able to hit the subscribe button. I mean... It's the ice cream man!
Hello.
Hello, how are you, ice cream man?
Good.
Good.
Not bad.
Okay, what's your most popular flavor of ice cream?
Today,
Yeah?
more than 42 different flavors. Soft serve.
That's a lot. Which
Yes.
which one sells the most?
Oh, maybe, any is tasty, but depends on what you like.
Right, it depends on what I like. I'll get this right here, this strawberry crunch.
Strawberry.
Yeah,
Strawberry crunch.
the crunch, yes,
Okay.
yes, the crunch. And here's your money, sir.
Okay.
It's a good hot day for ice cream.
Okay, please.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Same to you.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye now.
Ice cream!